Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your shop is placed under an Etsy payments reserve, Etsy temporarily holds a percentage of your earnings before releasing payouts. This usually happens when Etsy detects risk related to orders, shipping, or shop performance. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix the Etsy payments reserve issue in 2026, okay? Clearly and correctly, and you will understand everything. So first thing first, understand why reserve was applied. So common reasons include new shop or limited sales history, sudden increase in orders, late shipment tracking, high refund or dispute rate, policy or customer service concerns. So check notice like go to shop manager, open finance and payments account. Etsy explains reserves details. Okay, so add valid tracking or to every order. So this is the fastest way to release funds. So for each order, ship order on time, add tracking number, select correct carrier. So funds often release once tracking shows shipments. So orders without tracking stay in reserve longer. Okay, you can ship orders on time. So late shipments increase risk score. So improve meat processing times. Dispatch before deadline. Mark orders shipped correctly, and Etsy trust improves automatically. Okay, so you can also reduce buyer risk signals like reply to messages quickly, resolve issues politely, avoid cancellations and refunds. Okay, so positive performance shortens reserve duration. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.